Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Monte Carlo to monitor data pipelines in BigQuery, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing the Monte Carlo platform. Log into your Monte Carlo account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the integrations section from the main dashboard. Select BigQuery from the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button to initiate the connection process. You will be prompted to provide your Google Cloud Project ID. Input your project ID in the designated field. Next, you will need to authenticate Monte Carlo to access your BigQuery data. Follow the instructions to authorize the necessary permissions. Once authorization is complete, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Now, navigate to the Data Sources tab within the Monte Carlo dashboard. Click on the option to add a new data source. Select BigQuery as the type of data source. In the configuration settings, specify the datasets you want to monitor. You can also customize the monitoring frequency to suit your needs. Define the specific tables that you wish to include in the monitoring setup. Next, set up the quality checks that you want to implement for each table. This may include checks for data freshness, data volume, and structural integrity. Once you have configured the quality checks, click on Save Settings. After saving, navigate to the Alert Settings section. Here you can define the notification preferences for any data quality issues. Choose the channels through which you want to receive alerts, such as email or Slack. Next, test your alert configurations to ensure they are functioning correctly. Once testing is complete, finalize your setup by clicking Finish Integration. Now, you can monitor your data pipeline in BigQuery. Regularly review the dashboard for insights and potential issues with your data. Stay proactive by adjusting your monitoring settings as your data needs evolve. This configuration will help ensure that your data pipelines are running smoothly. By following these steps, you can effectively employ Monte Carlo for enhanced data monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.